Boys, we're gonna do some Moab Pit boost only here. See what we get for our first opponent. We got Ultra. Looks like a big grinder right now. So we'll see. YBR is the map. She's fit 505 global right now, so alright. We are 489 on the global. She is just about the same. I'm not doing further ribbon, bro. I'm not doing further ribbon. Oh, where's Keep? Where's Keep? I'll go DFA. Let's do some DFA, bro. See what happens. I don't know what he's doing there with those farmers. Showing his micro off a little bit. Alright. We'll be leaking to those. Good, good. He got us more bananas up. So. He is leaking more than us. So that's good. That's good indeed. We're gonna get up our second trip. And then we'll be chilling to that. We'll send him some of these, and then we'll send him some pinks. Space pinks are there. And we'll see what we can do here. So, he'll be leaking to these right now. He's down pretty good on lives. We do have a big advantage on lives right now. He did get his plantation. We'll get up our plantation as well. We'll send some greens. This is good. It's a good game so far. Man, not that bad. Send some blacks. Alright. Prepare the spolt. Don't last. Leaking a few lives there. It's alright though. Do that. He already got a spolt. He'll be doing some layering type thing. So, trying to do it at least. I don't know if it worked or not. Okay, he's gonna leak a few. Oh no, he's not. Alright. He's sending me some whites here. I don't know if that's the play or not, but hey. I'll send him a lead. He's gonna send me a lead. Alright, well. He'll be leaking to these. I don't know if he's gonna all out or what. So he's gonna be farming still. Good. This is good. This is good, good. Now, my plan is round 16. We'll send him some stuff. He's space decoing her now. We'll send him some region wide. Okay, we're gonna send him some region leads here. Oh, they're gonna region, bro. They're gonna region like crazy, dude. Dude. Okay, he's good on boost. So he has farms. Good for him. Now he doesn't have a boost for round 18, does he? Oh, this is good. And he has hella farms. Okay, this is great. Alright, well. He does have a boost, apparently. And that's GG's, bro. GG's, bro. And we'll take the win. We beat this dude. GG's, bro. Alright, well. That's good. Take a little screenshot and that's gonna be it for this video right now. Just playing that person for the video.